Welcome back to Body Politic PT exercises. Get ready to fortify your multifidi with today's exercise, back ignition. Let's begin. First, find a cushioned surface like a yoga mat or a rug to perform the exercise on. Now, position yourself on your elbows and knees, making sure to place your elbows directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. We will be holding this position for a while, so if at any time your neck or shoulders get tired, feel free to take a break. Step 1. Align your spine so that it is in a neutral position, meaning it's not curved up or sagged down too much. Also, make sure that your neck is in line with the rest of your spine and your chin is tucked. Step 2. Begin by unweighting one knee straight upwards and bringing the foot with it. Go slowly and do not take the knee off of the surface it's on. Your goal is to do this without shifting or turning your pelvis. Grab a water bottle and place it on your lower back, right above your glutes. If the water bottle falls off while you're performing this, you might be trying to lift your knee too high and shifting your hips. As you do this step, you will likely feel your abdominal muscles turn on, which is good. Step 3. Hold this position and focus on your lower back muscle activation. If you are unweighting your right knee, you should feel your left back muscles working. If you are unweighting your left knee, you should feel your right back muscles working. These muscles are called the multifidi, and they hold the segments of your spine to one another. So, if you feel like you have a weak or unstable back, the muscles you need to work on are the multifidi. Back ignition is categorized as a fundamental exercise and teaches you how to control the multifidi muscles. If you can develop awareness and endurance of this muscle group, you can have confidence that your back will be more stable, whether you're lifting something heavy or playing a sport. Once it becomes easy to hold this exercise for a couple minutes, you can then try the water bottle challenge, which can be found on our Instagram and YouTube pages. Thanks for stopping by for a Body Politic PT exercise tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to consult your personal PT if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.